Hello, good evening everyone. This is Bala Ankaya, an engineer. Today I want to discuss about the new advertisement which is CSIR NAL. So NAL means National Aerospace Laboratories. It comes under the CSIR organization. CSIR is one of the big autonomous organization in India. It consists of different laboratories located in India. So they advertised for the two different kinds of advertisement. One is relevant to the technicians, which qualification is ITI in different trades: electrical, mechanical, civil, electronics and communication, fitter. So there are different trades in that. And coming under another advertisement, it consists of technical assistant post, and next technical officer post, senior technical officer level 1, and the last one is senior technical officer level 2. So in technical assistant, you have 19 posts. So the qualification for the technical assistant is diploma in different branches. So electronics and communication, and civil, electrical, mechanical, aerospace, and different branches. And next one is technical officer. So you have only one post in that, and the qualification for that is BTech. And next one is senior technical officer level 1, and for that you should have BTech qualification. Along with that, 2 years of experience you should have must. And the last one is senior technical officer level 2. So for that you should have a BTech qualification. Along with that you should have a 5 years of experience for that. So it is a very big opportunity who want to work under the government sector. So it is a very big organization, and it is located in the Bangalore, and they does research and development in the aircraft and aerospace related activities. And the coming to selection procedure for the technical assistant, technical officer, or senior technical officer level 1 and senior technical officer level 2 is for first we will discuss about the technical assistant and technical officer. For these two posts, you should have a skill test and written examination for that. First you should qualify for the skill test, then only they will allow for the written examination. The written examination will be divided into three parts once again. So paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Who qualify in paper 1, those only eligible for the next paper 2 and paper 3 for the qualification. Next, so in paper 1 you have the mental ability subject, and next in paper 2 you have English and quant. So in paper 3 you have the syllabus related to the concerned subject. So one should have a quant, reasoning, English, and the concerned subject knowledge, then only they are able to qualify for this test. So I request everyone to apply for this post. So next, technical officer also same. So like first you should have a skill test. First you have to qualify in the skill test, then only they will consider you for the written examination. So for senior technical officer level 1 and for senior technical officer level 2, you have only interview. So I request everyone utilize this opportunity to apply in this and so try to utilize this opportunity and get the success. And next, they advertised one more notification for the technician also. So who are comes under the ITI qualification, they also can apply for this opportunity and utilize this one. So I request everyone to apply. So I have seen this organization from so many years. So it is a very big organization, and it is a government job. Who want to secure the government job, so they can utilize this opportunity. So please share this video with your friends also who are unemployed in India. So I request everyone to utilize this opportunity once again. So please like my video, or if you want to get any information, put in comment section, and please subscribe my channel. If you want any further information, please put comment. So thank you very much.